In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Payhip. Whether you're setting up an online store or just customizing your site, adding pages is an essential step to ensuring your Payhip site is both functional and engaging. Stick around as we guide you through the entire process, making it as seamless and straightforward as possible. First things first, you need to access the store builder on Payhip. So, start by logging into your Payhip account. Once you're in, look for the Store section and navigate to the option labeled Launch Your Store Builder. This tool will give you the flexibility to craft your site to meet your specific needs. Now that you're in the Store Builder, the next step is to add a new page. To do this, head over to the top left corner and locate the Add button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Custom Page. When prompted, enter a suitable title for your page. Something like, About Me might be just what you need, and then hit the Add button to create your new page. Once your page is created, it's time to bring it to life by customizing it. Payhip makes this really user-friendly by allowing you to add various sections. You can include text for descriptions or background stories, add images to visually enhance the page, integrate videos to engage your audience, or showcase your featured products. Just click on Add section and pick the elements you wish to include for a truly dynamic and personalized page. Next, you'll want to optimize your page settings. In the Store Builder, locate the cog icon next to your new page title. This will take you into the settings where you can tweak your page to perfection. Under the General tab, you have the ability to edit the page title and URL and decide whether you want the page visible or hidden. Each choice here is crucial for the usability and visibility of your site. Then, in the SEO tab, you can enter a title and description designed to boost your page's visibility in search engine results. Don't overlook the Social Media tab either. Here, you can upload an image that will represent your page when shared on social platforms, providing a visual cue that could draw in additional visitors. Now, if you envision this new page as the main focus of your site, there's an option to set it as your home page. Simply go back to the page in the Store Builder, click on the cog icon once more, and select Set as Home Page. It's as easy as that. Finally, to ensure your new page is easily accessible to visitors, consider adding it to your store's navigation menu. While in the Store Builder, click on Header, then head over to Navigation Links and choose Edit Navigation Links. Click the plus Add Link button, enter what you'd like the link to be called, About Me, for instance, and then select the page you created. This way, your visitors can find it effortlessly. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to adding pages on Payhip, equipping you to make the most out of this versatile platform. Remember, a well-structured site isn't just about functionality. It's also about creating an engaging experience for your customers.